reading and reading comprehension about zoo. Hello, come back again with me. I am Miss Dita Alia, and today I am going to teach you online as usual. For today we have meeting 5 and we have reading and reading comprehension. Before we go to your reading book, take out your worksheet and we are going to read the difficult words. The difficult words for Unit 10, zoo. 1. Last, lalu. 2. Watch, menonton. 3. Feed, memberi makan. 4. Laugh, both 2 or laugh, both 1, tertawa. 5. Vote, both 2, 5, both 1, bertengkar. 6. Give, both 2 or give, both 1, memberi. I'm going to repeat the difficult words, Unit 10, zoo. 1. Last, lalu. 2. Watch, menonton. 3. Feed, memberi makan. 4. Laugh or laugh, tertawa. 5. Vote or fight, bertengkar. 6. Give or give, memberi. So in this section, your task is doing the pronouncing, and you have to record your voice reading the words and send it to the group. Seperti biasanya, rekam suara kalian sedang membaca kata-kata sulit ini lalu kirimkan ke grup WhatsApp. And then, we are going to the reading. It's talking about zoo. What is zoo? Zoo is a place where we can see many kinds of animals. Zoo, or we call it kebun binatang in bahasa, adalah sebuah tempat di mana kita bisa melihat banyak jenis dari binatang. For example, seperti contoh, pandas, panda, or tiger, harimau, or birds, burung-burung, such as peacock, merak, flamingo, and the others, dan lain sebagainya. My question is, have you ever gone to the zoo? Udah ada yang pernah ke kebun binatang? It's an interesting place. Tempat itu adalah tempat yang menarik. So, if you haven't, kalau belum, you can go there. Boleh ke sana and look at many kinds of animals. Okay, so this time take out your reading book and open the last page. It is page 10, Unit 10 about zoo. Part 1. Read the passage and answer the questions. Bacalah teks berikut, lalu jawab pertanyaan-pertanyaannya. So we are going to read first. Listen to me carefully. After this, I'm going to ask you to record. Last Saturday, Jonathan went to the zoo. He saw many animals there. There were tigers, elephants, and giraffes. Jonathan had fun watching the monkeys. He liked feeding them. He loved when they fought over the bananas that he gave them. That's how to read this text. So you have to record your voice reading this text. But before that, we have to translate it. The translate is like this. Sabtu lalu, Jonathan pergi ke kebun binatang. Dia melihat banyak binatang di sana. Ada harimau, gajah, dan jerapah. Jonathan bersenang-senang menonton monyet-monyet. Dia suka memberi makan mereka. Dia tertawa ketika mereka bertengkar memperebutkan pisang yang ia berikan kepada mereka. That's it, the story. If you have understood, you can grab your phone, boleh ambil HP-nya, record your voice, reading and translating the text. Rekam suara yang sedang membacakan teksnya dan artinya. So, we go to part 2. Part 2 is pretend you are Jonathan. What did you do at the zoo? Berpura-puralah kalau kamu adalah Jonathan. So you go to the zoo, kamu pergi ke kebun binatang. So, what did you do at the zoo? Apa yang akan kalian lakukan di kebun binatang? I'm going to give my example. Miss kasih contohnya. Because I love pandas, karena Miss suka panda, so I'm going to make like this. Miss buat kayak gini. I watch the pandas. I like feeding them. I loved when they fought over the bamboos that I gave them. Miss menonton panda-panda tersebut. Miss suka memberi makan mereka. Miss juga tertawa ketika mereka bertengkar memperebutkan bambu yang Miss kasih. Miss berikan kepada mereka. So that's how to answer part 2. Next, we go to part 3. In part 3, you can see two pictures, A and B, so we are going to read the instruction. Write one sentence for each picture. Tulislah satu kalimat untuk setiap gambar. For example, A, sebagai contoh, you can use 3 words. Harus menggunakan 3 kata yang ada di sampingnya. Monkeys, monyet-monyet, fought, bertengkar, bananas, pisang. So B, fat. Fat is verb 2 of feed. Fat itu adalah bentuk kedua dari feed, which is the meaning is memberi makan. And then fish, ikan, bread, roti. So my sentences are like this. Jadi kalimatnya bisa seperti ini. The monkeys, monyet-monyet tersebut, fought over the bananas. Bertengkar memperebutkan pisang-pisang tersebut. For B, he fed the fish some bread. Dia memberi makan ikan itu beberapa roti. That's how you do your reading book. You have to take a picture full of the answers and send it to me privately. Coba kirim gambar dari jawaban-jawaban buku reading yang telah kalian jawab, lalu kirimkan ke Miss Dita secara pribadi. Next, the last one is on your worksheet. Di worksheetnya. So you can take your worksheet. It's about filling the blanks based on the picture. Mengisi titik-titik dengan berdasarkan gambar-gambar yang ada. It's a text. The title is Going to the Zoo. Pergi ke kebun binatang. I go to the zoo with my blanks, blanks, and blanks. First, we go to the mammal animal zone. There, I can see blanks, 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 and blanks. After that, we go to the tame animal zoo zone. There are blanks, 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 and blanks. Next, we go to the wild animal zone. I can see blanks, 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 blanks. On the way to that zone, I see a pond containing blanks and blanks. I also see a big cage of blanks. So in this, pergi ke kebun binatang, saya pergi ke kebun binatang dengan titik-titik, titik-titik, dan titik-titik saya. Pertama, kami pergi ke bagian hewan mamalia. Do you know what is mamalia, right? Hewan yang melahirkan. So, di sana saya bisa melihat blanks, and blanks, dan blanks, titik-titik. Setelah itu, kami pergi ke bagian hewan yang jinak. Thing is jinak. Ada titik-titik, 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 dan titik-titik. Selanjutnya, kami pergi ke bagian hewan yang buas. Wild is buas. Saya bisa melihat titik-titik, 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 titik-titik. Dalam perjalanan menuju ke zona itu atau bagian itu, saya melihat sebuah kolam berisikan titik-titik dan titik-titik. Saya juga melihat sebuah sangkar yang besar dari titik-titik. So I'm going to explain the pictures for you. Miss kasih tunjuk gambar-gambarnya. This is ibu. This is ayah. This is nenek. This is a picture of jerapah. This is a picture of sapi. Sapi. This is a picture of kuda. This is a picture of zebra. And this is a picture of gajah. Next, this is monyet, kucing, anjing, kelinci, tikus, singa, harimau, ular, rubah, buaya, ikan, katak, and the last is burung. So, if burung, what is the English of burung? Burung is bird. You can write bird beside the picture. Tulis bahasa Inggrisnya di samping gambarnya. If you have finished, you can send me the picture and I'll be checking. Bakalan Miss periksa. And that's it. Your job, there are 3, ada 3. Reading, membaca. Record your voice reading the difficult words and the text, also the meaning. Rekam suara kalian membaca kata-kata sulitnya, teksnya, dan artinya. That's the first. The second is reading book, page 10. Buku readingnya halaman 10. There are part 2 and part 3. Di bagian 2 dan bagian 3-nya. You can send me the picture and I will check them. Bakalan Miss periksa. And the last part is worksheet, meeting 5. Di worksheetnya, pertemuan kelima yang going to the zoo yang I have explained, yang sudah menjelaskan. So thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can find me on my WhatsApp. So good afternoon, students. Goodbye.